Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will tell you how to take a screenshot with a gesture on the Samsung S25. Let's begin. Now, it is a little bit tricky to perform, but the gesture for taking screenshot is a palm swipe from left to right or from right to left. As you can see, it's something like this, but sometimes it might randomly not work. But as you can see, you do it like this, and you can easily take the screenshot this way. If it's not working for you, then we can go to our settings. In the settings, we can go to advanced features, motions and gestures. And as you can see, we have palm swipe to capture. You want to make sure that it's enabled, otherwise the screenshot with gesture option won't work. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.